This is Syska LED tube. You can see this front of me. LED ARL. So guys, this is very friendly brand to us. System LED Syska tube. T5 LED tube light. I can tell you importance. First important is ensure that the lamp is connected to AC 220-240V power supply. Ensure that the power is disconnected before you start install and working. And third, lamp is recommended for 10 and 12 hour uses per day. Switches off of lamp once in a 24 hour will offer better life cycle. You can buy this light and please subscribe our channel and please like this video.